Have you ever wanted to be a model? Well, the little West Country town of Chipping Sodbury might not be the place that comes to mind for that. But this is where Model U is based, in this rather unsuspecting building behind me. And their job is to, well, model you. I've come here today in my finest to get myself scanned 3D to become my own cake topper with my lovely fiancée, who's in there currently being dressed so she can have a scan separate from me because I'm not allowed to see the wedding dress that I'm being scanned with next to. It's all very complicated stuff. Let me show you inside. It's not easy to find a wedding cake topper that resembles the bride and groom, so to have yourself 3D printed is as accurate as you're going to get. Thanks to Chris and the Model U team, we were able to see their fancy scanning machine, which is made from thousands of tiny cameras working together to make a CAD file. To get an idea of heights and scale, we had a test scan, and were amazed at how quick the entire process was.
Enjoy yourself with your big day.
Yeah. Do you have to like stand completely still and not? Okay.
There we are. That's how long. That's how quick it is.
Oh, that was really fast.
Do I need to keep my eyes open? I don't know if I should.
So that was it in that very short amount of time, the whole scan.
That's how quick the scan is.
That's incredibly quick. That's literally just a camera flash, yeah.
This is so cool. I think they do pets as well. I wanted to bring the cats. Can you imagine? They wouldn't stay still.
I don't know.
We have some cats in the range, so we could match them scale-wise if you wanted.
Oh, you're looking at me immediately.
I really love all the cats.
Okay, I've gone into the car because it's raining outside, and as we all know, it can't rain on a wedding day, right? Yeah. Obviously, I'm not actually getting married today, but Model U need about 3 to 4 months notice, like ahead of the wedding day itself, so you can get yourself scanned if you want to become your own wedding cake topper. So that means you have to get your suit and your dress sorted and know what pose you want to stand in, all of that stuff. They need some lead time for the model to be printed, then sent off to be painted, and then delivered to you ahead of the day. That's so strange to see yourself like on the screen just like posed around, and that just happened now. Wow.
Ready for your close-up, sir.
Okay, lovely. It was then time for my print to be scanned. We wondered whether the tiny details like the buttonhole would be picked up, but in just a camera flash, it was all made clear. The clever Model U folk are able to edit and move parts of the CAD file if they're slightly off, so they could accurately line up the two figures to make it look like they were holding hands. How cute. So obviously this is a big day in itself. It's the first time that Holly and I have been in our wedding suit and dress at the same time, even though I can't see the dress until the day. But it's also the first time that the maid of honour, Annie, is actually seeing Holly in the dress. So that's quite a special moment. And what a nice time to be able to capture that physically in a model, which even though we'll age over time, probably the model won't if you look after it. So yeah, that's a morbid thought.
Look at you, you're so beautiful. Do a spin.
Oh. Although I have to
Oh yeah.
I've got to turn the music off.
Well, you look like you're about to walk down the aisle.
It's not today.
Look at you.
It's really picked up the bouquet well as well.
Yeah, it
The
has.
detail. Nice.
It kind of looks like you're wearing some kind of like futuristic space dress.
Yeah, it does, like the way the train's been made.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yay! What a great idea.
Now, if you thought a miniature model of yourself is cool, can you believe that you can actually have them printed in colour as well? This new service captures the figure in exactly the right look, replicating it on just a smaller scale. Now, we didn't have our own models printed in colour this time, but even if hand painted, Model U can sort it all for you. We decided to call on another friend on the modelling side of YouTube, and sent them to George Williamson to be finished. You can find a full video on how he painted them on his own channel, at George Williamson Models.
Please, can we have the cats?
Oh, it's such an easier conversation to have rather than when you said originally, can we have the actual cats? Yeah, having a print of them, yeah, okay, no problem.
We were even kindly given a set of cats, so that Bramble and Nettle could be there on our big day. But what about the cake itself? As the building is generally cake-shaped, we asked the Diamond Baker if she could bake Shakespeare's Globe Theatre in London. This is where we got engaged, and she recreated it beautifully.
Putting out the princess.
The cake!
Let's go look at the cake!
I love the cake. Stop it! No! Oh my gosh!
Look at that!
Oh wow!
It's us!
Wow! That is insane.
It's insanely accurate, isn't it? Oh, look what's on the top! Look!
I know.
No, the very top!
Stop it.
Oh, I can't.
The personal touches.
Oh,
they've done a fantastic job
Wow.
printing out, haven't they?
I love it. Literally, he walked in early and I was like, oh, I love your cake. He's like, I'm not looking at it. I haven't seen.
Needless to say, we were very impressed on what was already an emotionally charged day. Something quite funny, but no fault of George's, is that you may have noticed that the tie is the wrong colour. I didn't have the tie that I wore when I had the scan with Model U, so I wore a blue one instead. As he was working off of the colour photos from that day, the tie was therefore blue. Nothing that a quick repaint couldn't fix.
When you're ready.
We are so happy that really nothing went wrong on the wedding day, and everyone seemed to have a lovely time, except 2 pesky little kittens who mysteriously went missing. We safely got our cake topper figures back, with the cake itself very much eaten. However, the prints of Bramble and Nettle were never seen again. So, no doubt, they were channeling the curious behaviour of the cats they were named after. Model U have a range of pre-made pets that you can buy on their site, so our 2 little voids can be reunited.
It is not just wedding days that Model U specialise in, of course. They are the 3D printing experts. Families come here regularly, for instance, to be scanned for a portrait altogether. Even the pets, if they sit still enough for the scan, which only lasts a couple of seconds. You could be scrolling endlessly on Model U's website, as they've got a whole vast range of figures already printed and designed as well. Mostly specialising in railway and military figures, but also just generic people in case you want to make a diorama of a little town or a village or anything. The imagination is down to you.
Find out more at modelu3d.co.uk and modelu.studio for more details. Thanks again to the super friendly team, and especially to Chris for making sure everything we wanted was done to top standards before the wedding. Equally thanks to Annie for helping the bride to prepare, and to George for painting the figures so well, and to the Diamond Baker for making a beautiful cake for them to stand on. What a special gift this is. If you want to see how we managed to get a real steam locomotive down the wedding aisle, there's a full video of that. as well as an exclusive on my Patreon page showing how we made all of the other railway themed displays.
Never cut a cake before.
Hold on. You never cut a cake? What?
Not this kind of cake.
Our bride and groom are going to start off the evening by the cutting of the cake. So, I know, exciting stuff. So we're going to go from 5, so it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, the cake is well and truly cut.